The differences between animal and plant proteins can be understood in terms of their amino acid profiles, digestibility, nutritional content, and overall impact on health. Here's a breakdown of these key differences. 1. Amino acid profile. Animal protein typically contains all 9 essential amino acids in the right proportions, making it a complete protein. Examples include meat, dairy, and poultry. Most plant proteins are incomplete, meaning they lack one or more essential amino acids. However, there are some exceptions like quinoa and chia seeds, which are complete proteins. By combining different plant protein sources, for example, beans and rice, you can obtain all the essential amino acids. 2. Digestibility. Animal proteins are generally easier for the body to digest and absorb. The digestibility of animal proteins is often higher due to their complete amino acid profiles and similarity to human proteins. Plant protein contain fiber and other compounds like phytates and tannins, which can make protein less digestible. However, proper preparation methods like soaking and cooking can improve the digestibility of plant proteins. 3. Nutritional content. Animal proteins are rich in nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, heme iron, which is better absorbed by the body, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are either absent or present in lesser amounts in most plant-based foods. Plant protein contains additional nutrients such as fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals like magnesium, folate, and phytochemicals, which have various health benefits. Plant proteins are naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol. 4. Health impact. Excessive consumption of some animal proteins, particularly red and processed meats, has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and other health issues due to high levels of saturated fat and cholesterol. Plant protein are associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers, largely because of the fiber, antioxidants, and lower fat content. Plant-based diets have been shown to support a healthier weight and better metabolic health. 5. Environmental impact. The production of animal-based foods generally requires more resources and results in higher greenhouse gas emissions compared to plant-based foods. Plant protein are more sustainable with a lower environmental footprint. Growing plant proteins typically requires less land, water, and energy and generates fewer greenhouse gas emissions. Choosing between animal and plant proteins depends on individual health goals, dietary preferences, ethical considerations, and environmental concerns. A balanced diet can include both types or focus on plant-based options with careful planning to meet nutritional needs.